Here we will see record selection formula in Crystal report. Record selection or filters are defined by a record selection formula built using the Crystal syntax of the Crystal report. There are two ways for record selection formula in Crystal report. First is you can build a record selection formula using the formula editor by opening the report menu and choosing selection formulas record. Another way is you can pass the condition through C# code while opening the Crystal report through Crystal report viewer. A simpler way to build record selection is to use the select expert icon accessed via the experts toolbar. A record selection formula returns a boolean value indicating whether a given record should be included in the report. It is evaluated for each record in the database. Anytime database field is used in the formula, it is replaced by the actual field value. It is replaced by the actual field value. First we will see record selection using select expert. Open a report for which you want to give select expert. Then from Crystal report menu, select expert. Select a field for which you want to set the selection. Here I have selected the percentage field. These are the different options for select condition. I will select is greater than or equal to, and here I have given the value 63. When you refresh the report, you will get the records whose percentage is greater than 63. Another way is record selection formula using Crystal report and C# programmatically. For this, add a new form and specify the controls on the form that you want to give condition. Here I will give a text box in which I am going to insert the percentage value, which I will give as a record selection. Then write a following code on button click event. First we will open the report document as a CRYPT. Then I will load the report in CRYPT. And for CRYPT I will give the record selection formula, the table name dot the field name for which I want to give the record selection, which is greater than or equal to the value that we have inserted in the text box, that is txt per. Since it is a string, I will convert it to integer 32. After that I will make the panel visible false. I will refresh the CRYPT. I will set the Crystal report viewer report source as CRYPT and I will show the Crystal report viewer. When you execute this button, it will display the Crystal report whose percentage is greater than the value entered in the text box. Here we will see how select expert works in Crystal report. This is a Crystal report toolbar. From here, select expert. Select the field on which you want to give condition. I will select the percentage field and then click on OK. It will ask for the condition. When you click here, it will give different conditions. I will select is greater than. When I click here, it will display the available data in the report. if I select 63 and when I click on OK and when we see preview, it will display the record which is greater than 70. To make changes, again go to select expert, and here instead of is greater than, I will select is greater than or equal to, and I will click on OK. Select refresh data. It will display two records, 63 and 70. Here we will see how to give select expert through programming. Since I am going to accept the percentage, and I will make record selection formula on percentage value. So for this, first I will add a panel, and on this panel I will add one label, one text box and a button. In label I will display percentage, and in this text box I will accept the percentage value. So I will give the name txtper, then I will name it as a btn OK, and on click event of button, first I will create the report document object CRYPT. Then I will load the report in our CRYPT. Then I will write the record selection formula. Equal to, in curly bracket, first I will give the table name dot the field name is greater than or equal to the value that we are going to insert in text box. So plus convert dot to int32 txtper dot text. Since text box value is string, we have to convert it. Then after executing, I will make this panel visible false. Panel 1 dot visible equal to false. Then I will refresh the CRYPT. Then I will set the crystal report viewer report source equal to CRYPT, and I will make crystal report viewer 1 dot show. To execute, I will set it as a starter form. To execute, I will press F5. It will ask for percentage. I will give 60 and I will click on OK button. The students that are having percentage greater than 60 are displayed here.